It's India's longest sea bridge and the 12th longest such bridge in the world. The historic Atal Setu is being inaugurated as we speak by Prime Minister Modi in Mumbai. It will not only be India's longest sea bridge, but also one of the strongest as it's been built with earthquake-resistant technology for the first time. The bridge connecting South Mumbai to Navi Mumbai and beyond will reduce the current 2-hour journey to just about 15 to 20 minutes, if you can believe that. Absolutely an engineering marvel. Take a look at everything you need to know about it, and then I'm taking you live to the bridge itself. India's longest sea bridge, the Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link, is now operational. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Atal Setu, named after former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, on Friday. The Atal Setu, connecting Navi Mumbai to South Mumbai, is an engineering marvel. 1.77 lakh metric tons of steel, over 5 lakh metric tons of cement went into making what is also the world's 12th longest sea bridge. The steel used in the bridge is equivalent to the weight of 500 Boeing planes, and it's 17 times the Eiffel Tower's weight. The 6-lane, 21.8-kilometer bridge cost around 18,000 crore rupees to make. Over 70,000 vehicles are expected to use the bridge every single day. The bridge originates at Severi in South Mumbai and ends at Nava Sheva in Uran in Raigad district, with an interchange in between. A 4.5-kilometer western expressway is also being built from Worli to Severi to connect to the Atal Setu. The Atal Setu will reduce travel time between Mumbai and Navi Mumbai from about 61 minutes now to just 16 minutes. The project will give tourism in places like Panvel, Alibag, Pune and Goa a big boost. The bridge will improve connectivity between South Mumbai and the newly built Navi Mumbai International Airport. Finally, it does boost access to the Jawaharlal Nehru Port. The maximum speed limit for four-wheelers on the bridge is fixed at 100 kilometers per hour by the Mumbai police. Motorcycles, auto rickshaws and tractors will not be permitted on the bridge. Bureau Report, India Today. Well, it's been a day full of images centered around the Prime Minister ahead of the grand Pran Pratishtha ceremony at the Ram Mandir in Ayodhya on January the 22nd. The Prime Minister, as we just showed you, is in Mumbai to inaugurate a whole host of infrastructure projects. The Prime Minister today began an 11-day fasting ritual. 11 days starting today. He visited the Kalaram Mandir situated on the banks of the Godavari River in Nashik, Maharashtra today and offered prayers. The Prime Minister also took part in a Swachhata Abhiyan ritual at the Kalaram Temple in Nashik. The Prime Minister mopped the temple premises in the city, sending a strong message of cleanliness nationwide. The Prime Minister also offered prayers at the Kalaram Temple and listened to the verses of the Bhavarta Ramayana written in Marathi by Sant Eknath. The present temple is believed to have been built in 1700 after it was destroyed by the Mughals. It is believed that Lord Ram killed 14,000 demons in a minute and a half, and therefore the temple is called Kalaram, as he came as Kal or death for demons. Here's that full video.
मैंने आह्वान किया था कि जनवरी तक हम सभी 22 जनवरी तक हम सभी देश के तीर्थ स्थानों की, मंदिरों की साफ सफाई करें, स्वच्छता का अभियान चलाएं। आज मुझे कालाराम मंदिर में दर्शन करने का, मंदिर परिसर में सफाई करने का सौभाग्य मिला है। मैं देशवासियों से फिर अपना आग्रह दोहराऊंगा कि राम मंदिर में प्राण प्रतिष्ठा के पावन अवसर के निमित्त देश के सभी मंदिरों में, सभी तीर्थ क्षेत्रों में स्वच्छता अभियान चलाएं, अपना श्रमदान करें।
All right, let's go straight across to India today's Vidya joining us live from Mumbai. Vidya, the Atal Setu has just been inaugurated, but the big talking point right now I wanted to get your views in on is the Prime Minister in Nashik at the Kalaram Mandir, where he, took part in that Swachhata campaign. Amazing video, sending out a big message. What are you hearing? Lots of significance here.
Well, it certainly there is, in fact, in the last many days, even though the opposition has been stating as to how, entire religious rituals have been usurped by the BJP. It's not just with regards to Ram Temple, but many others as well. But certainly, almost at every juncture that we see, Prime Minister Narendra Modi does make it a point to visit a lot of religious structures, at a lot of religious points where he does offer a lot of prayers, and as he says, it's for the welfare of the country that he's been praying. But certainly, Shiv, at this juncture in Mumbai, there's a lot of excitement right now for the Mumbai Trans-Harbour link, which has been in the making for the last 2 decades, but it is only now that it has really come into reality. Almost for decades, people have been waiting for something like this. As you said, it's an engineering marvel in the middle of the sea, amongst an eco-sensitive zone where a lot of Siberian cranes. Where they have a habitat here. Amidst that entire 22-kilometer long stretch of this entire Trans-Harbour link that has been made is something that people in Mumbai and Navi Mumbai were really looking forward to.
Images of the Prime Minister, Vidya, inaugurating the Atal Setu. It's something that the people of Mumbai, the people of Maharashtra have been waiting for a very, very long time. It has, been caught up in legal issues. It has had many, many delays. I want to show you pictures of the actual bridge. Move away from those political images for a moment and show you the actual bridge, which is what people, want to see, because it's 21 kilometers long. It's cost over 17,000 crore rupees and has really taken its time coming. Vidya, you're a Mumbaikar. Explain this to us non-Mumbaikars, how much of a difference this bridge is going to make. Is it really going to be a total game changer in terms of the amount of time people are going to save in their commute from South Mumbai to Navi Mumbai and back?
Shiv, remember the entire creation of Navi Mumbai as a satellite town was done to make sure that people who could not afford the cost of living in Mumbai could actually settle down there. But the connectivity between Navi Mumbai and Mumbai was a very tedious one, with almost an hour or 2 at the minimum actually being taken almost on one way. This 2-hour route that everyone used to take by road will now be cut down to just 20 minutes. And it's not just to Navi Mumbai. Remember, this is the entire Konkan belt. From Mumbai, if you just take on this road, which is right now closed, but will be opened up by tomorrow for the public. If you take this interchange in Chivri in South Mumbai to Chirle in Navi Mumbai, this interchange will take you not just to Navi Mumbai, the JNPT area, the Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust area, but also if you want to go to Goa, get onto the National Highway towards Goa. This will take you on a much shorter route. You'll reach there faster. Your destinations will be much closer. So certainly, for the entire, people who used to travel, especially for businesses, people who had to come to Mumbai for the sake of business, they used to find it very tedious coming from Navi Mumbai, from the entire Konkan belt to Raigad and all these areas. Coming to Mumbai was a very tedious task, but this would certainly change a lot.
Amazing, amazing. To hear it straight from a Mumbaikar makes all the difference. It's going to be a game changer for the people of Mumbai. It's going to, improve the quality of life. People are going to spend less time on the road going between Navi Mumbai and South Mumbai. Can't wait to see it for myself. 21 kilometers long over the Arabian Sea. It's going to be something to really, really marvel at. Vidya, thank you so much for that. Let me tell you a little bit more, viewer, about the Atal Setu, some of the salient features. Now, concrete trucks have moved over 3.8 lakh kilometers. The bridge features reinforcing bars. Could have built about 17 Eiffel Towers, is what we hear. The length of the steel used is 4 times Earth's diameter. 85,000 tons of orthotropic steel have been used on the deck of this bridge. Orthotropic steel has been used, the amount of orthotropic steel used is equal to over 185 Boeing 747 jumbo jets. So just some factoids to give you a sense of how much metal and material has gone into making India's longest sea bridge of this kind. You heard Vidya, quantifying it, but we've got some more information in terms of the journey time, because ultimately at the end of the day, it's not about the amount of steel used or how much it costs, because this is taxpayer money and the taxpayer has to benefit. And what better benefit than saving time? Here's a look at it. Before the Atal Setu, it would take between 90 to 120 minutes for going from South Mumbai to Navi Mumbai. Now it's just a miraculous 15 to 20 minutes. From 19 to 120 minutes, 2 hours down to 15 minutes is an incredible savior of time as a result of this engineering marvel. 21.8 kilometers is the Atal Setu. The images you see there are of Prime Minister Modi, the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra and other officials unveiling and inaugurating this bridge that will be in use starting later today and tomorrow. 70,000 vehicles are expected to cross this bridge every single day. We will be speaking very shortly in Mumbai, and we'll take you straight live to the city as soon as the Prime Minister begins his big address.